The big homie done pulled back up. What up, DJ is? I told you, your boy just be out here going ham, right? They ain't seen that popcorn just go live all goddamn day shit in a minute. I usually try to be in and out, but I'm long stroking them today, right? Now we gonna go ahead and get some watch hours, set some numbers again, right? You gotta remember, YouTube likes to collect your statistics and your analytics. They be looking at that shit. Because then they know how they can promote your ass. Alright, so technically he was live for like a couple hours. We didn't promote him that much to that many people this time. But if we do put him in front of a lot of people, the people that was watching him, they would sit there for 15, 20 minutes. Which is good, because 15, 20 minutes means they will watch 1 or 2 rounds of ads. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all that ain't got premium, because y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all getting stuck in them ads. I don't watch not a goddamn ad. I watch your content. Shouts out to that premium pack, though. You know, that's easy numbers for the people that's been listening. Oh yeah, we definitely was up super late last night myself. Hell, I couldn't go to sleep. Technically, I'm to the step in my process where I get my next 2 credit cards. They already are available as far as the current listings in my fucking recommendation place. That's what I was planning on doing after I got done cleaning up and getting all these plants ready to go. Go ahead and get my next 2 on deck because I was supposed to do it in July. But since they're currently available, ain't no sense of waiting. Ain't no sense of waiting. I'll have them fucking paid and ready to go by July. Like, let me get the next 2. uh, see, I had gave the easy rundown on a 5 card draw earlier in the video. But the good thing is my actual path that I ended up taking myself is an 8 card draw. So, which is cool because either way, 5 or 8 cards, that's a good enough balance to get to that 20 real quick. Which, like I keep telling y'all, is the goal because you learn how to get there and manage that. That's what the bank wants you to do. That's your qualifications for being a banker. Can you build up 20,000 individual credit and keep it paid up and good? Yes, I can. That's easy. I got that all day. Well, welcome to the bank, sir. You don't get a job, you just get access to the funds. Okay, then. Thank you very much. We'll accept that. Then after that, they just want you to remember when we tell you to pay us, pay us. Some days we'll only need the minimum. Some days they'll come for it all. Hey, this month we need everything you owe us. Well, damn, that's kind of crazy. But I got it. Here you go. What 50 Cent say? If I was to offer you $1 million, but you only had 30 days to flip it, how would you do it? Well, 50, I've seen this video. Now, see, that's the first one I did, right? Y'all see how nice and easy that was?